Going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 2 4-bath ranch style home in New Philadelphia, Ohio. I'm actually in the basement. So yeah, this is a pretty nice looking house here. Helping again a couple of my buyer clients. Outside of us buying houses cash for homeowners, we do help people who are looking to buy their first home or a second or third home, or whatever. We help them through the transaction, so we show them houses and get them to the closing table as well. So it's just a service that we offer. So I just wanted to kind of let you know what we're up to. This is Christmas Eve 2018. So just wanted to give you guys a little peek. It's a pretty nice looking house here. This one's going for $159,900. It's a great area, real nice sized lot, and we're out in these streets. So this is a really nice house. I would buy it. So if you or anybody you know thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, definitely consider giving me a call. 330-685-2220, or just visit the website www.investparamount.com.